Good morning, students of class 10th. I am Dhananjay Kumar Singh, your physics teacher in Vidyapati Public School, Padumkere. Today, we will study about electric current and electric circuit. Electric current. First, we define electric current. The rate of flow of charge in an electric circuit is known as electric current. It is denoted by letter I. The unit of electric current is ampere. Look here, electric current, the rate of flow of charge in an electric circuit is called electric current. It is denoted by letter I. Its unit is ampere. It is SI unit, ampere. So we derive the formula of electric current. Let Q coulomb of charge flows in time t seconds. Then rate of flow of charge equal to Q by T. Therefore, we can write I equal to Q by T ampere. This is the formula of electric current. From this, we can calculate the amount of current in a circuit. The device that measures the amount of electric current is known as ampere. Just look here, and we call him ammeter. The ammeter is device that measures the amount of current in a circuit. Ammeter, A-M-M-E-T-E-R. In the name of ampere, the name has been written as ammeter. The device which measures the amount of electric current in a circuit. In our domestic supply, we get at 220 volt and average current is 5 ampere. In domestic supply, we get 222 volt AC volt and current is 5 ampere. There are two types of ammeter. One is milliammeter and other is ammeter. The milliammeter measures the very less current, that is the order of milliampere. For a small current, we use milliammeter. It is used in circuits, and in semiconductors we also have microammeter, that is in diode and triode. Milliammeter, microammeter. The other device that measures the very less amount of current is galvanometer, that is very highly sensitive to measure electric current. The same current is not detected by the ammeter, but galvanometer shows deflection. Even very few amount of current is flowing in the circuit. The device that measures the current is galvanometer. Galvanometer is a very highly sensitive device. Galvanometer. Galvanometer is very highly sensitive device which measures the feeble amount of electric current in an electric circuit. Very high sensitive. Device which is used to measure the electric current measure the very feeble, very less, negligible, very feeble. It means negligible. Amount of current. Galvanometer is used in higher classes experiment, just like meter bridge experiment. We use galvanometer for finding the null points on the length of the wire, and we find the unload resistance of wire using the meter bridge experiment. The symbols for the devices are, for a meter we use A plus minus. Galvanometer, it is noted by G, plus minus. And just like volt, for measuring the volt, we use the voltmeter. It is also like V, plus minus. But there are differences in connecting these devices in electric circuit. Ammeter and galvanometer is always connected in series in a circuit, because if we connect them in parallel combination, then there will be difference in actual amount of current flowing in a circuit. So ammeter and galvanometer are always connected in series. With main circuit. On the other hand, the voltmeter is always connected in parallel combination to the resistor. If we connect the voltmeter in series combination, then no current will flow through the circuit because the resistance of voltmeter is infinite. It means it does not allow the flow of electric current through this. After understanding these basic points, now we discuss about what is the direction of current in an electric circuit. Before describing this, there is detailed story about this. The first thing is that when electron was not discovered, there were only two charges, positive charge and negative charge. And at that time, we taken the positive charge as the direction of motion of electric current. But when electron was discovered, it was found that it is the actual charge which constitutes the electric current in the circuit. So the actual direction of flow of current in electric circuit is the direction of electron in a circuit. It means it is opposite of the flow of the charge that is given by earlier. So we can write here the direction of electric current in a circuit. Suppose that from electric circuit, suppose that is a simple electric circuit which comprises one key and one battery. Here is the battery B. Simply we take the direction of electric current from positive end to negative end through outer circuit. From positive end to negative end through outer circuit, but in reality the direction of electric current is from negative to positive end to the battery. So there is contradiction. In next class we will discuss in detail about electric circuit and symbols used in electric circuit. Thank you.